Good day, everyone. I'm Dr. Gerald Villela, and for today, we will be discussing a very relevant and important topic, and this is acute diarrhea. Diarrhea is defined as frequent passage of watery and loose stools for more than 3 times a day, not lasting for more than 14 days. May mga pasyente ako na nagsasabi na dumudumi sila ng mahigit 3 beses ang araw, pero buo naman. So itong mga ganitong pagkakataon, hindi natin pwedeng tawagin itong diarrhea. May ibang mga pasyente na nagpupunta rin sa akin who's complaining of vomiting. Now, kadalasan ito ang kasama ng pagdadiarrhea. Sometimes, fever is also associated with it. What are the consequences of diarrhea? Most of the time, the patient would complain of dehydration. So how do we prevent diarrhea? Ang pinaka-common na dahilan kung bakit nagkakaroon ng diarrhea isang tao ay dahil sa hindi pagiging malinis sa kanyang katawan. So, pinaka-importante ang maging malinis sa ating katawan. So, ang laging paghuhugas ng ating mga kamay, ang magandang pag-prepare ng ating mga pagkain at storage ng pagkain. So, how do we now treat diarrhea? Dapat nating patuloy na maidumi o mailabas yung infection o toxin sa katawan natin. Kaya lang, kasabay ng pagdumi, nauubusan sila ng tubig, the same time with the nutrients na kasama ng pagdumi natin. So, kinakailangan talaga ang rehydration. Palaging uminom ng tubig. At the same time, we should avoid eating fatty foods or oily foods, spicy food, o yung mga pagkain masyadong matatamis at masyadong maaasim sapagkat ito ay pwedeng lalo magdulot ng diarrhea. Dapat lagi tayong nagpapalit at umiinom ng tubig. Meron pong mga nabibili na tinatawag ng oral rehydrating solution na pwede nyo siyang inumin kapag kayo nagda-diarrhea. Kadalasan ng diarrhea ay hindi po nadadala sa hospital. It can only be managed at home, pero kapag ang isang pasyente ay may vomiting o pagsusuka, hindi niya matolerate yung pag-inom ng oral rehydrating solution, that's the time na kailangan dalhin niyo na po siya sa doktor kasi baka ma-dehydrate po siyang maigi at mauubusan ng tubig sa katawan. Part of treatment of diarrhea is also controlling the symptoms of diarrhea. We have a product in the market which is called as loperamide hydrochloride or Diatabs. It slows down the intestinal motility and it inhibits the secretion of fluids or water and electrolytes in the intestines. In doing so, nape-prevent po niya yung palaging nagmo-move ng bowel or diarrhea. So how does Diatabs work? Loperamide increases the transit time of substances inside the intestine. At kapag nangyari ito, mas mabagal ang paglabas ng substances from the intestine, there are more time for fluid and electrolyte absorption from the intestines. And aside from that, loperamide or Diatabs inhibits the secretion of fluids and electrolytes. Kaya nga ba ang sabi natin, Diatabs stops diarrhea and prevents further dehydration. That's it for our episode, and this is Dr. Gerald Villela. I hope you learned something, and thank you for watching.